In the name of Allah, Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear students, today's subject is English, class 3rd, and our today's topic is He is my brother. Lecture 2nd. Dear students, in previous lecture we learned about 12 years old girl Mina and how she climbed the hill slowly and slowly. Dear students, today we'll learn how Mina carried the boy on her back. Dear students, so start our today's lecture. As the sunshine danced through the trees, Mina climbed the hill slowly and slowly. Mina was happy. The boy was also happy. A man in the group looked at Mina. He felt sorry for her. He asked her, "My child, why are you carrying the boy on your back? Don't you feel his load?" Mina looked at him in wonder. She could not understand him. Her brother was unable to walk. Mina said, "Load, of course, of not, he is my brother." Dear students, as the sunshine danced through the trees, dear students, जैसे जैसे सूरज की रोशनी درختوں کے ذریعے رقص کرتی رہی، مینا climbed the hill slowly and slowly. مینا چوٹی پر آہستہ آہستہ چڑھ رہی تھی. مینا was happy. The boy was also happy. مینا خوش تھی اور اس کے ساتھ جو چھوٹا بچہ تھا وہ بھی خوش تھا. A man in the group looked at مینا. اس گروپ میں یعنی اس جماعت میں ایک آدمی مینا کو دیکھ رہا تھا. He felt sorry for her. اس سے مینا پر ترس آ رہا تھا. He asked her, "My child, why are you carrying the boy on your back?" اس آدمی نے مینا سے پوچھا، آپ اس لڑکے کو ساتھ کیوں اٹھا رہی ہو؟ آپ کو اس کا بوجھ محسوس نہیں ہوتا؟ Don't you feel his load? یعنی آپ کو اس کا بوجھ محسوس نہیں ہوتا؟ مینا looked at him in wonder. مینا حیرانی سے اس آدمی کی طرف دیکھتی ہے. She could not understand him. وہ اس کو سمجھ نہیں پاتی. Her brother was unable to walk. مینا said, اس کا بھائی چل نہیں سکتا. مینا نے بولا. مینا said, مینا نے بولا. Loud, بوجھ. Loud, of course not, بالکل نہیں. He is my brother, وہ میرا بھائی ہے. یعنی مینا نے بولا کہ وہ میرا بھائی ہے. based on a story by Sanat Kumar Bhatt. یہ اسٹوری جو ہے کہانی جو ہے یہ سنت کمار بٹ نے لکھی ہے اسی کی کہانی سے لی گئی ہے. Dear students, this was all about our story, our today's topic. So have a good day. Khuda Hafiz.